If you're a consistent business that's selling a lot of products, labeling can get exhausting and time-consuming. And there's always going to be some adjustment periods when you're getting started to figure out which labeling method is the best for you, and that's going to take up the least time. But now we actually offer custom-shaped labels coming on rolls. This way, if you have a really specific piece of artwork or a graphic that has a funky shape or a silhouette that just isn't going to fit on a square or a circle or an oval label, but you still want to use roll labels for printing reasons, application reasons, storage reasons, this is going to be the way to do it. This way, whenever you're putting packages or orders together, you don't have to go rummaging through label sheets or printing anything new. You just have a roll of labels that's ready to go. You can peel off your custom design and they'll automatically be ready to apply. Custom die-cut stickers are also something we offer that's a really good option if you want to have a giant stack of stickers that are really easy to give out to people, like customers or buyers, where they can just peel off the back and then use that whenever they want. But if you're just making branding stickers or packaging stickers and applying them yourself, this is going to be the quickest way to do it. Custom shapes for product labels have also become really popular, where even if there's a little rounded rectangle shape or just a classic square label, the other half of it or the other side of it might actually be die cut into a specific shape that matches the product. It makes your product stand out a little bit more, and it's been a pretty popular trend recently. So check out custom shapes on rolls at OnlineLabels.com or through the link in the description, and let us know in the comments if you think they're a good fit for you. You can order custom product labels or stickers in any size, shape, and material that you need right there at OnlineLabels.com as well, so check it out and let us know what you can find. If you have any other questions, just let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.